Here I have iPhone XR and let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be simply the calendar, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, side button and volume up. So let me hold down together those two keys and release. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together side button and volume up simultaneously, and you just capture the screen. Here you've got also your screenshot right here in that corner. You can open the screenshot and you can edit the following screenshot. Alright, so let me show you the second way of taking screenshots. Let's open the settings. Here let's choose the general. From the general let's choose accessibility, and here you have to find and select the assistive touch. Here I have assistive touch. Let's enable the assistive touch. As you can see, the following icon pops up. So if you tap this icon, let me here tap cancel. If you tap this icon right here, you should find the following operations. For example, you can use control center, notification, custom. But here you can also customize top level menu. You can, for example, add some icon right here, and you can choose here screenshot. Tap done. So now if you press this assistive touch, you can choose screenshot and you will capture the screen. Let me show you again. Let's use screenshot, and that's it. So now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you can open by using this right here, this screenshot in that corner, or you can also find and select photos right here, and under photos you should find your screenshot, or you can choose albums and here choose the screenshot folder right here. So here you've got your screenshots. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.